Hello guys, welcome to Evolving Knowledge channel. Ready to learn? In today's video, you will learn about nuclear energy. I will start with concepts about nuclear fission, nuclear power plants, reactive waste, among others. So, let's get started. Nuclear energy is the energy stored inside an atom by the forces that hold together the nucleus of the atom. The most common usage of this kind of energy is to generate electricity, but unfortunately, it is also utilized to make weapons. I'm not sure if you know what an atom is, but let's introduce this concept just to help us to understand the next topic. Atoms are tiny units that make up all matter in the universe, and energy is what holds the nucleus together. Every atom is composed of a nucleus and one or more electrons bound to the nucleus. The nucleus or core is made of one or more protons, a positive subatomic particle, and a number of neutrons, a particle with no charge. Nuclear power can be obtained from several processes such as nuclear fission, nuclear decay, and nuclear fusion reactions. The majority of electricity from nuclear power comes from nuclear fission of uranium and plutonium. But we can define nuclear fission as a process of splitting an atom into two or more smaller ones. When these particles are divided, a considerable amount of energy is released. In a nuclear power plant, this energy is released in a slow controlled manner, and as a result, it can generate electricity. One of the major applications for nuclear fission is nuclear power. Nuclear power plants use nuclear fission to generate heat. They use this heat to create steam from water, which, in turn, powers electrical generators. The fission takes place in the reactor that heats the reactor coolant. The coolant may be water or gas, or even liquid metal, depending on the type of reactor. The reactor coolant then goes to a steam generator and heats water to produce steam. The pressurized steam is then usually fed to a multi-stage steam turbine. After the steam turbine has expanded and partially condensed the steam, the remaining vapor is condensed in a condenser. The condenser is a heat exchanger that is connected to a secondary side, such as a river or a cooling tower. The water is then pumped back into the steam generator, and the cycle begins again. Okay, let's talk now. What are the benefits of nuclear energy? Well, there are several, included. This is one of the most low-carbon energy sources. It also has one of the smallest carbon footprints, a reliable source of energy, and it is practically inexhaustible. But there are bad aspects as well. Building a nuclear power station is very expensive. When it's operating, it produces radioactive waste that must be securely stored, so it doesn't pollute the environment. Also, there is a security threat. It can be a target for terrorists to create a disaster. Hey guys, did you like the video? If you enjoy science topics, please take a look at this card above and the suggestions at the end of the video, where we have a whole playlist about chemistry, biology, and physics. Thanks for watching, and before you go, please subscribe to our channel. Bye.